In this video, you'll learn how to get Octal file permissions from the command line on Ubuntu. Let's start by opening the terminal. First, go to the folder where your file is located. You can use the cd command to change directories. For example, cd path to your file. Now let's check the permissions of the file. Type lsl filename. Replace filename with the name of your file. You'll see an output like this. r one user group 1234 date file name, the first part, rwr, shows the permissions. These are symbolic permissions. But we want the octal format, which is numeric. To get that, use the stat command. Stat c %a file name. This will return something like 644. This number is the octal permission. In this case, 6 means read and write, 4 means read only, and so on. The first digit is for the owner, the second is for the group, and the third is for others. That's it. You now know how to get octal file permissions from the command line on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.